Set up position. 1. Lie flat on your back on an exercise mat. 2. Bend your knees to about a 45-degree angle, keeping your feet flat on the ground. 3. Arms should be straight and at your sides, palms down or facing in, close to your hips. 4. Lift your upper back slightly off the ground, just enough to engage your core. Your shoulder blades should hover off the mat, not your neck. 5. Engage your core. Pull your belly button toward your spine. Avoid arching your lower back. Movement instructions. 1. Reach your right hand toward your right toes, letting your torso rotate slightly and your obliques do the work. 2. Return to center briefly while maintaining the upper back off the ground. 3. Reach your left hand toward your left toes in the same manner. 4. Continue alternating right and left taps in a controlled fluid motion. Form tips. Don't strain your neck. Keep your chin slightly tucked. Imagine holding a tennis ball under your chin. Movements should come from your abs and obliques, not momentum. Please check my next video.